Warm up your saws. Hands on the wood. Timers ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go. Some good time. Let's give a round of applause. Don't be shy, crowd. Let's get behind them.
Mitch is up on his first board already.
Go on, beer garden. Don't be shy. There's only 15 in there.
Place your bets. You're going to win a beer off this one.
Here we go. Eric's got a good bottom board.
Mitch is on top.
Mitch is up. We told you he's good. Let's give him a round of applause for coming all the way.
Oh, here comes Logger.
Come on, Eric. So they've got to drive the board in tight. If they love tap it, it's not going to stick. They've got to drive it in, boom, and pull
Mitch
down the board, which locks the tank. Here we go. Mitch is going well. He switch hit. Here we go. That's a quick time. That is quick. So Harry's going good. Where's Harry? There he is.
Yeah.
Eric's
going now.
Chase is making a few waves. Brock's going. Cole's up. So the point is to have the board on a slight angle, which gives them spring, okay? Which gives penetration and leverage to get the axe into the wood. I don't know.
Woodward's around.
Oh, there he is. Eric's coming. He's coming for you, Harry. There's Eric. He's doing a good job. Eric's nearly through. I think 2 more. A bit more in the back. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful cut.
Harry's right behind him.
Yep. He's going well. Harry doesn't cut a lot of these. He only started cutting these here in Canada. In New Zealand, it was always up and down each side. There's Brock. He's getting very good coverage of the axe set through the wood. He's going to do a couple more drivers. He's going to switch here or turn around his feet. And he's going to sever through the back.
Notice there on pole 5, you have Chase Gunderson. He's learning his springboard technique from an old timer there, Bill Bischoff. This is a great time to be learning from the professionals, and he's taken advantage of that coaching today.
Chase had a good day yesterday, an intermediate novice. So reach a little further, Brock. Cut that far wood close to us. There we go. You got about 2 inches, Brock. Speed out a little. Yeah, nearly there.
There we go. One
Oh,
more.
there's Cole.
And Harry's down 2.
Oh, good on you, Harry. Let's give them 2 a round of applause. We've got Chase and Brock here.
There you go, Brock.
That's doing great. A little bit harder, Brock. Further. Same spot. Harder. He's nearly there. Hey! Good cut, man. Don't be shy on that effort, buddy. It takes a lot to get up on those boards. Trust me. You ask Wayne how hard it is to get up on 2 boards.
Yeah, it's real hard. Yeah, this is one of the toughest events.
It's tested the toughest, some people call it.
Yeah.
And Chase is going good there. He's got good coverage of the axe. He's moving well. The biggest thing is if you have a little slope on the board, it adjusts your angle of your body, and it does affect your swing and momentum. The higher the angle of the board, you don't want it like this, you want it about 30-degree angle. As you can see, the board springs, and that's your leverage. So, like baseball or golf, when you're coming back, he's going back and his weight goes on his back leg. As he comes up, it gives him leverage, or coming down. So it's a spring effect. In Australia, they make them out of red cedar. Here, I think it's out of a pine wood.
There's a couple different, I think, if I'm not mistaken. What is it? Here.
Yellow cedar. So it is a cedar wood.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it, Chase. Keep going, mate. There you go, buddy. He's going well. Switch hit. Is it up hitting it? Here we go. That's the far wood. The furthest wood away from him is the far wood. Okay? There we go.
Chase.
Oh, there we go. Give Chase a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. He deserves it.
15 is the best you can get, and you might even see a couple of those in the next few minutes, so let's see what they can do.
Okie dokie.
There we go. Off to a good start.
Oh, and a good start there. So 20 feet from the bullseye to the ground. 3 scoring shots. Still a good scoring shot there. Both ladies going good. Very well. Very good scoring shot as well. Every throw you need to score. Keep it tight. 11 on there. Shot. You'll see the girls have different size double bit axes depending on what they prefer. Okay. Nice small shot there. So the revolutions, it's 2, complete revolutions. Oh, bullseye. That was a nice throw. The big thing too is making sure the axe sticks, and good throw of number 2 as well. If the axe doesn't stick and it drops out, well, it's no score. Very close. Another nice throw. Let's give her a round of applause. There's some really good throws here. Beautiful throw as well. 6 over there for Kaylee. She's new to the sport, I'm pretty sure. She's had a good show. Have you had fun? Oh! Wow. This is going to be greatly contested. Oh, that was close. That's a 4. Well today, young lady to my right, number 1 position. Excellent throw, Anya. That's a good scoring shot. Another good scoring shot. This is very highly contested, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to tell you who the sponsor is.
It's going to be a tight race.
It is Timberland Contracting. Who knows Timberland Contracting? Yeah, is that you there? Oh, hello. You having fun? Yep. You happy to be a sponsor next year?
Oh.
Wait, I didn't see that. Another good scoring shot. Hey, he's all having a good time so far. Excellent. Beer garden. A little bit louder than yesterday. It's too early.
Too early.
Oh, like I said, axe needs to stick.
Axe thrower. I don't even know how I got to the final, but here I am.
So we'll add up the scores. My guess it's out of 3 ladies. And hammer.
Oh, round 2 on the throw.
Did she get it?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
That's a bullseye. That's 2 bullseyes.
Now we got a battle.
Kaylee is showing Andrea that she's going to stick around. This is good. Oh, no, it's the same.
They gotta go again.
This is entertainment at its best, ladies and gentlemen. This is good. She's not giving up, Andrea. She's got to beat you. Watch out. Bragging rights. Oh. Wait. Wait. Have we got?
I think we got a winner.
4, 3, 2, yeah. Let's give it up for Kaylee, everyone. Good stuff.
That was a good race.
She's had a good show, Kaylee. She's had a lot of fun. Warm up your sores. This is the official start. Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Here we go. They're up. They've got to cross it before the line. Start their saw. Check up. Okay. Oh. Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Here we go. Gonna make over the line. Red line builds up. Gerald's up. Gerald on, everyone. Gerald's coming down. It's gonna be a good time for Gerald. Here we go. Excellent. Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Here we go, Eric. Eric's agile. So's Mitch.
Be fast. Take your favorite. Down he goes. Oh, 8 for more beauty on that one.
Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Let's cheer him on. Jake vs. Carson, Uncle vs. Nephew. Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's going to be close. Oh! Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Here we go. Cheer him on. Brock and Brian. Brock with the black hat. Oh, that was a flick. That was quick. Really quick. Keep going. There we go. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Beautiful wood. Chipping very well. These axes are cutting lovely. We're going to have someone turning shortly. There we go. Got one around. Andrew's around. Aaron's around. It's all the work in the front. Who's got it? We've got some good pace here by the ladies. We're going to get the bottom wood out. 1 and 1 it. Oh, there we go. We've got some more coming off in a second.
Erin's going to be right behind here.
There's Erin. Yeah, there she is. Lauren's around. Ev is going good. So is Miss Pryor. Keep going, Miss Pryor. You're doing an awesome job. Lady on position 2. She's cutting very strong. Great swing. Danielle's there. She's nearly off. I can hear it snapping. There we go. Let's give Danielle a round. Beautiful wood. Really good wood.
Oh, got another one.
Got another one off.
Oh, 2.
Good cut, Ev. Miss Pryor's going great as well. She's picking up the axe strong. I just got to clear that bottom wood out. Couple of big hits to the bottom. I can hear it cracking. I can see Jessica cracking the wood as well. There we go. You're nearly off, Jess. I reckon 1 in the middle.
Couple more blows.
Yep. Will you wait on that right foot? Beautiful cut, Jess. Be proud, Jess. She's just come back into the sport.
That's what is that? Oh,
Ooh.
met with a bullseye. What's that? Sorry,
It was a throw.
nobody saw it. There we go. Mitch Hewitt answers with a 4. This will be their last counting throw. I don't know if I've ever seen that. All right,
Nice.
there's your first practice throws. We're going to move on to our first counting throw. Bullseye.
Oh.
4.
They both mean business. Jake's got another 5.
5 for Jake.
And
4? All right.
Ryan's got a 4.
Let's see what these guys can do on their last counting throw. Five, 4.
Oh, I think. Nice.
Practice throws. 4 and 4. Is that a bad? Earl, they yelled at me.
Oh. Oh.
4 talks to 4 talks to, what do we got, Kim? 4 talks to a 4. You'll notice they're different styles. Carl with his underhand throw, Nick with the conventional over the head.
Oh, that's got the edge, I think. 5, bullseye for Carl. Oh,
Nice.
wait. Has it marked it?
Oh, that is,
I'm leaving it up to Gary.
I think he's in there.
I think he's got it.
I think he's got it. Ah,
What is it? It's a 5.
woo!
Wow.
Gary just felt with drink.
I'm just getting changed. Don't look at me. Yeah, I'm old and hairy.
Carl's got a 4.
This is what too many years of wood chopping does to you in Australia. I stopped and started 3 times.
Oh.
So
Oh, and then 4 there too.
What do we got?
Where are we at?
13 for
And-
the Godfather.
45. Okay. Oh, nice row. They brought their A game.
So a great thing about Brian and Nick, because these are 2 world-class can go up and down that tree faster than you can blink later.
Oh, that was close. Is that a 4? Oh, that's 3 or 4. 4. Oh, bullseye. Is that a ball? Yep. 5. Very close. I'll let the judges add that up. And they've made the trip. Beautiful throw. Oh, that's a 4, I'm guessing. Yep, not Bulgarian Ken. Oh, that's a 4 as well. I think Carl's a lot happier with these throws. He's struggled a little bit this morning. Oh, okay, that's a 3 or a 4. What are we going with? 3. 3.
Timers ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go. Here they go. It's the fast one. Keep your eyes. Let's hear some cheering. Cheer them on. It's going to be over. You're going to win it right there. Oh, and more. They dropped them like crazy. Here we go. It's a quick one. We got one more going here. They're using additional sauce, so they're working a little harder than everybody else. Let's cheer them on. Come on, they're almost through too. They're having a good time. Almost through. Couple more pulls, they'll be through. There we go. Couple more. There you go. Big hand for everybody. That was a quick week.
Timers ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go! Look at them go. Peg and rakers. They're falling for saw. Good cut over there. Good cut here with the husband and wife. Beautiful.
Timers ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go. This is hard work. Cheer them on, guys. Get them through that sauce faster. You don't want to be on that sauce. It's called misery whip for a reason. I'm still breathing hard for my time. Pull fast, guys. Pull down. Pull down. Keep it in the woods. Pull down. There you go. You're in the last stretch. Keep it up. Pull down. Almost there. Little from the beer garden, please. Pull down. Last couple strokes. There it is. Timers ready. Contestants ready. 1, go. This is going to go by fast. Pick a favorite and cheer them on, guys. Who's going to be the first one to turn? Who's going to turn? Oh, Harry Hardy's down first, followed by Carson, James, and Bill. Brock doesn't have much left to do. One more round and a couple drivers. Wayne Paulson having some technical difficulties. There's Harry. Who's next? Carson Bischoff, James Hartley, Bill Bischoff. Let's give it up for Brock Oliver. Last one here, guys. This is yours. Keep it up, Brock. Come on. Drive it off. There it is. We're shaking. One more. There we go. Vince Open Underhand Canadian Championship.
Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Competitive's ready. 1, 2, go! Let's get it behind them, ladies and gentlemen. One down, cuts. Who's got it? I think it's an incomplete cookie there. Liam, is that incomplete? Come on, a little bit louder. But let's give a big cheer for turning up and sponsoring. Woo! How did Carson go? Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go! That was quick. It's on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go! Here we go. AJ versus Cole. AJ on 1, Cole on 2. Here we go.
Close race.
Look at AJ go. He's a little machine. There we go. Descending school, bottle locks. Cole's up. Go Cole. That's all right. Cole's a tall guy. That's it, Cole. Beautiful. You're doing great, mate. Let's keep cheering him on.
So for those of you that have been here in the past, you'll notice that these are 2 brand new climbing poles that just went in this year.
Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go! It's going to be close. Let's get behind him. Eric's got good form. So is Carson. Oh no! Watch out, Carson!
USA, who's going to win?
USA, Canada. Oh! There we go! We're going steady descents. They're coming close. Carson. Oh! Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go! Oh, it's going to be close. Nick's going to come on in. These are fresh poles. Brian's up there. Just. Nick, there we go. Nick's coming. Nick's coming. Great race. This is exciting. Contestants ready. 1, 2, go. Here we go. Jake Hewlett, Brian Bartow. We have Brad Nellis, AJ Fletcher here, the little guy here with a beautiful mustache. And oh, is that Bill Bishop climbing a tree in the blue? The majestic bird? So they're going to put a pocket in, 4 to 6 hits or more. The bottom hit has to be flat, okay? So they can get spring and be able to leverage the board to give them that extra power. So we've got Jake up there, he's coming beautifully. Oh, take his time. We've got Brian there going well. AJ's still learning. So AJ on 6 is still learning from New York. There's Bill Bishop.
Watch out on stand 1 here. Jake Hewitt, 18 years of age. He's been cutting springboard since he was, I don't know, 3?
6. Let's say 5.
And I think he was beating me when he was 3.
He just got back from Sydney
active there over there. Bill, he's going high. Keep going, Bill.
Ryan
Two up.
is right behind him.
Here we go, one up. This is a legend.
Oh,
It's
Bill
going to be
and
awesome.
Ryan.
Better watch out, Bill.
Bill and Ryan. What have we got? It's shaking. It's shaking. Make some noise. Make some noise when there's one.
Oh, Bill got him. That's it, AJ. So AJ's really well, actually. Great swing. He works in the logging industry in New York.
There it is, Brian Bartow.
Worth mine. That's Brad Ellis. That's it. Beautiful pattern there, Brad. AJ's around. He's going to switch hit. He's going to cut his thing out. Near wood, and he's going to cut his far wood. There we go. AJ's only been in timber sports for a small while, but he works in the industry. Here we go. Far hit, AJ. There we go. If you want to see a beautiful massage, come to AJ. He's got all the tips to give out. He's a little fella. It's been coming on yesterday as well. Brad going.
Let's give him a cheer. Get through. It's tough work up there. He's almost ready to serve.
He's pulling through. Cut that front out. He's switch hitting now. There we go. Nice cuts. They're strong cuts. There we go. Couple more. Get the far wood. There we go. It's very hard to switch. There we go. Nearly there, buddy. Let's cheer him on, everyone.
Let's give him some cheers.
Really good effort.
There he goes. One more. Big cheer for him at the end. There we go. Yeah.
Before I forget, hands on the wood. Timer's ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go!
Remember, we are using a phone that has lots of ears.
It's coming. Sorry about the dust. Part of the entertainment. Okay. Couple more to go. Sounds like 1, 2. Here we go. Here's Gary. Let's see if Gary can do it. Gary in the red singlet, red helmet to my left. Here we go. Ooh. Gary's got patience on his side. Here we go. Oh! Did he get it? Let's confirm. Hands on the wood. Time is ready. Competitors ready. 1, 2, go! Now Jake's got a leading pole. Bill's on the ground, Billy. Let's see how Bill goes. That was 2 very good cuts. Let's wait for Jake. Jake's just gonna, he's still going. Over there as well in the yellow helmet. You can see their faces. It's a learning experience for a few of them. Okay. We're going to help each other out. There we go. Jake's getting his scarf done in the front. Someone cutting in the back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Congratulations on that one. Let's see what Jake can do. Is it Jake? I think it's Jake. Let's see. Let's see how this fella goes. Seth, is it? Here we go. Seth. Oh! That was hands on the wood. Timer's ready. Competitor's ready. 1, 2, go! Here we go. There's Mitch swinging away. Beautiful wood there, Mitch. 2 up, 2 down. He's going to beat it right out. Here we go. He's keeping up with him. He said he would. He's got 2 drivers. He's happy with that. He's looking at the can. He's beating it right out. 1 down. Oh! Another one. Oh! Here we go. Ryan's going. Mitch is on the back. He's taking a nice chip on the back wood. Beautiful cutting wood there. Here's Brian. Oh, I see explode. Here's Mitch. Check. Give the tap. Give the crack. Here's a crowd pleaser. He knows how to do this. Right, here we go. Oh! Let's give it up for Mitch Hewitt, everyone, and the other competitors.